Ashish this side. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the scholarships in Netherlands. Though in this video I'll be covering about 10 to 15 scholarships, but this will give you a fair idea on the kind of scholarships that are available, and then on the basis of your eligibility you can research even more. So with that, let's start and see the scholarships. So you have the Holland scholarship. The Holland scholarship is meant for international students from outside the European Economic Area who want to do their bachelor's or master's in Netherlands. This scholarship is financed by the Dutch Ministry of Education, Culture and Science, as well as several Dutch research institutions and universities of applied sciences. Now, eligibility: this scholarship is open to non-EEA citizens who are applying for a full-time bachelor's or master's program at one of the participating Dutch higher institutions. The award is that recipient will be awarded 5,000 euros. This will be received in the first year of your studies, but is not a full tuition scholarship. The deadline for this scholarship is February. Then you have is Maastricht scholarship, Holland High Potential Scholarship for international students. The Maastricht High Potential Scholarship is intended for international students who wish to pursue a master's or professional program at Maastricht University. This scholarship is financed by the Dutch Ministry of Education, Culture and Sciences in conjunction with Dutch Universities of Applied Sciences. Now, this scholarship is open to excellent students from outside the European Union, European Economic Area who wish to do a master's or professional education program at Maastricht University. The award recipients will be awarded living expense of 10,500 euros, insurance of 520 euros, visa cost of 317 euros and tuition fee of 13,000 euro or 17,500 euro. I think this would be the difference of UG and PG courses. This would be UG and this would be PG, I guess. Deadline is, the deadline varies depending on the program you apply for. Next you have is University of Amsterdam Excellence Scholarship. The University of Amsterdam offers a prestigious new scholarship program for exceptionally talented and academically outstanding master's students from outside Europe. This scholarship is open to non-EU from any discipline who graduated in the top 10% of classes may apply. So you understood, this is a merit-based scholarship. Selection is on the basis of academic excellence, ambition and relevance of selected master's program to a student's future career. Recipients will be awarded a full scholarship worth 25,000 euros covering tuition and living expenses. Deadline is February for this scholarship. Now you have is Utrecht Excellence Scholarship. Utrecht University offers 25 excellence scholarships divided over 6 graduate schools that are for students who want to pursue their master's degree in the Netherlands. Now, these scholarships are open to international students who have completed their studies outside the Netherlands. Recipient will be awarded full tuition fee or tuition fee plus 11,000 euros living expenses. The deadline for this scholarship is February. Next you have is Redbaud Scholarship Program. The Redbaud Scholarship Program offers a select number of talented prospective non-EEA students the opportunity to receive a scholarship to pursue a complete English taught master's degree. The eligibility is, this scholarship is open to international students who have been admitted in a master's program at Redbaud University. Award recipients will be awarded a partial tuition waiver to the level of an EU citizen. In addition, the Redbaud scholarship also covers cost of as those for visa, residence permit, health insurance, liability insurance. This amount to about 725 euros or whatever amount that is. So now you understood, in this case they have domestic fees which is different or maybe free for students or something that is for domestic student. Then you have international student whose fee is different. So you are actually getting that compensation for the additional fee in this, and then all additional visa and health insurance and all those things are covered in this scholarship. So you have deadline, that is March. Then you have is Eric Blooming Fund. This grant is offered by University of Groningen and is awarded for 1 year or 2 years master's program. Eligibility: this scholarship is open to international students who have gained admissions to the University of Groningen. Award recipient will be awarded tuition fee, cost of international travel, subsistence, books and health insurance. So all in all, apart from your living expenses, everything is covered in this. Deadline is December. Next you have is StuDelft Excellence Scholarship for International Students. This offers a number of scholarships that are 3 per faculty, so that means 3 per courses, and are available for outstanding international students. This scheme is financed by Justus and Louise Van Effen, who studied at this university in 1940, and then again they got famous, so they got money, and then they wanted to help the university. I told you all these details in the scholarship series on how exactly this works. So these scholarships are open to international applicants admitted to one of the MSc programs with a cumulative grade point above of 80%. Right. Recipients will be awarded a full fee waiver program and living expense for 2 years. Deadline is December. Next we have is University of Twente scholarships. So this university offers a scholarship to non-EU student to pursue a master's program. The benefit of UTS is becoming one of the most promising UT students, as well as an exclusive opportunity to take part in an intake for one of the 3 honors program: research honor, design honor, or change leaders. These scholarships are open to excellent students from both EU and EEA as well as non-EU EEA countries applying for a master's program at the University of Twente. Award recipients will be awarded 3,000 euros to 25,000 euro for 1 year. Deadline is May for this scholarship. Next you have is VIEW Amsterdam Fellowship Program for international students. The VIEW Fellowship Program offers talented prospective international students the unique opportunity to pursue a master's degree at Vrije University, Amsterdam. VIEW is committed to providing approximately 1 million euros towards attracting highly motivated and excellent students. Eligibility: this scholarship is open to students at all nationality who are academically excellent and admitted at this university. Award recipients will be awarded a tuition fee waiver, and this scholarship does not provide any additional allowance towards study or living costs. The deadline for this is February. Next you have a Tilburg University scholarship. Tilburg University offers international students excellent scholarships who are admitted to a research master's program. These scholarships are open to non-EU citizens. Recipients will be awarded a tuition fee waiver. The deadline varies depending on the scholarship. Next you have is Orange Tulip Scholarship Program. The Orange Tulip Scholarship Program gives talented students in several NISO countries. So what is this? We'll cover in next slide. The opportunity to study in the Netherlands. It is offered by higher education institutions, multinationals and government institutions. So this scholarship is open to students from following countries: Brazil, China, India, Indonesia, Korea, Mexico, Russia, Thailand and Vietnam. The recipients will be awarded a tuition fee waiver to study their bachelor's or master's degree at selected participating universities, and the deadline for this is April. So with that we have come to the end of scholarships in Netherlands. I understand that you may have certain queries regarding the course, program, scholarship or anything else. So I have put in the details in description on how you can contact us. Please like this video, comment, share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe. We have a lot of content available on this channel, be it different courses, universities or different countries. So you can explore that also. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay connected.